How's it going, folks? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, and today I just want to show you my mask decontamination area. So it's best to decontaminate masks, to change masks out every 2 hours because of bacteria and viruses that can come from your mouth and nose onto your mouth, onto your mask and through it. You always want to have 2 layers on your mask, and every 2 hours to swap them out if you're being absolutely totally paranoid. And sometimes it helps to be paranoid. So what I got here is I got natural sunlight. We got UV light coming out here, hitting this mask, and then we got the fan here drying it out. Now, after I do that, I always make sure, or before I do that, sorry, I always make sure I clean it off with soap. Antibacterial soap might help, but I'm not sure if it actually fights against virus, and it's a virus that we have to fight against in this COVID-19 fight. But I got 3 masks that I cycle through. I clean them with soap and water, hit it with some of this, just leave it right here, let it dry off. UV light will kill the virus, although this doesn't have a whole lot of UV light coming out of it. It is fake sunlight, so we do get some UV light there. And every now and then you might just want to wash the mask out and then put it up on the clothesline or on your rear view mirror in your car. And definitely get a fan on it. It definitely helps. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. This is my ghetto mask washing station. That's it for me, folks. Have a good one.